मुझे ना जब से मैंने ये स्निफ किया है दिस वन, तब से माई आईज एंड माई नोज स्टार्टेड वाटरिंग, एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज नॉट डार्कर दैन माई एक्स what है ये, इश्क है, इश्क है ये, इश्क है। आँख दुखने लग गया। Oh my god, मैं बुड्ढी हो गई हूँ यार। Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with one of your favorite videos. This is going to be product regrets video. I have managed to collect so many products. Video was long overdue. It just kept on getting pushed. I wanted to do this video before the year ends because yeah, I didn't want to carry all the package to the next year. Some of these are bought in 2024, so I really wanted to like finish it off before the 2025. And you guys always love my product regrets videos, so these are the products that I absolutely regret buying. I have wasted my hard-earned money. I don't want you guys to waste yours, so you guys can make an informed decision on your own. But having said that, also like to add that these products are something that didn't work for me, not necessarily means that would work for you, because makeup, skincare, body care, everything is subjective. Some of these products might be your favorite. If they are, I'm really happy for you guys, because that just means that they worked for you and you did not waste your money. For me, it didn't work out, so I'm just here to share my opinion, my honest reviews, according to my skin type, my body type, and my likes and dislike preference. So, with that put out, let's quickly jump ahead into the video. Let's begin without any random orders. These are the body care range from Foxtail, and I was super intrigued by the packaging and I loved the quirky. Anyways, Foxtail does the packaging very nicely, and I usually get attracted to good looking packaging. So, again, as always, I fell prey for these body care range. So, this is the Foxtail Deep Moisture Body Lotion, and this is in the same variant, the body wash. So these two look so cute on the vanity in, as well as in the bathroom. You guys know I don't mind the fragrance. Literally, I like lot of fragrance in my body care range. I keep saying that, but barring that, I also have a sensitive skin type. Though most of the fragrances I do not react to, but some fragrances my skin just cannot take it. So वही चीज हुआ इसमें भी. The fragrances is too overpowering. It has a very aqua like fragrance, which I liked initially. So I did shower with the body wash, and then I tried to layer it with the same body lotion. ये almost खत्म हो चुका है. All the packaging of body wash sucked. I could not get the, it's very dirty you guys, but yeah, I could not get the pump working, so मैं इसको पूरा open करके ऐसा ही use करती हूँ. The thing that happened with the body wash is it kind of started giving me rashes in my sensitive areas, so like underarm and inner thigh. Plus it has sort of a cooling sensation. It starts to tingling, so it does. I don't know whether they have menthol or not. Yeah, they do have menthol. I see menthol in the ingredient list. So because of that menthol, you get that tingling sensation in your body. Maybe in summer you would like it, because of menthol you'll feel cool. But of course I didn't use this in summer, but I'm not gonna like give that benefit of doubt, because within the use of 1 week I started to get a little bit of rash and eczema flare up on my inner thigh. I have a case of contact dermatitis, but my skin in general is sensitive, so I cannot use something that has alcohol. Even deodorants and all, I use 0% alcohol. But overall, like मुझे skin में कुछ problem नहीं होता है unless I use such products. So then I was little like scared and I didn't know what was going on. But then I figured it out eventually that these are the two products that I started using it. So yeah, this gave me major rash, and तब से मैंने उसको use ही नहीं किया है. Almost like ये अभी तक पूरा ही बचा. I don't know what I'm gonna do it. I'll definitely try to use it. Probably I'll give it to my sister. I don't know. So that's the body wash. It has super duper fragrance, aqua fragrance, and it has menthol in it, because of which you get that tingling and kind of a pricky sensation, which my body couldn't take it. So yes, I regret buying this, and I've like literally wasted my money in it. When it comes to body lotion, you guys can see कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिख रहा है ये packaging. It looks so good. I love to see this kind of packaging in my vanity. You guys can see like मैंने इसको खत्म किया है, ये pump नहीं हो रहा है. So let me just give you a swatch. तो इसका प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि this does not get absorbed into the skin nicely. I try to apply it on my dry skin, I try to apply it on my damp skin, but you really require to put a lot of effort and you need to keep on massaging it. It does take a little time to get completely absorbed, otherwise like you have to like constantly massage it. अभी तो आपको समझ नहीं रहा है because the quantity that I'm using is very less. So I'm using this much quantity तो ये तो absorb हो ही जाएगा. But that's not what I'm saying. Like even now you can see like I have to constantly massage, otherwise ये white ऐसे ही दिखने वाला है. So that's what I'm talking about. When you're applying it over all over your body, it does take a lot of effort and you have to constantly massage it for it to get absorbed into the skin. So I did not enjoy it. Or damp skin, if you put it, it just gets messy. You're supposed to use body lotions on damp skin, then the penetration is better. But this, if you try to use it, you'll just keep on spending 5 to 10 minutes and just massaging it with the damp skin, just gets messy. So overall, I did not like it. Plus, the fragrance is very overpowering. If you are sensitive to fragrance, you have to keep yourself away from it because it's not going to suit you. Your skin is definitely going to react to it. Me not being that sensitive to fragrance, I personally reacted to it, so I can imagine what it would do to someone who is sensitive to fragrance. So they do have one more range from it, but I'm gonna keep myself away. So Foxtail, this two products are something that didn't work for me. So usually Foxtail के products मुझे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं, but these two are a skip. So you can skip those products. Okay, moving on to the next product is this perfume from Ramsons. Before 2-3 months, a lot of influencers were talking about this perfume, and one of my favorite content creator, I don't want to take her name, but yeah, I really like her and I swear by her recommendations. She said this perfume is she tried out this perfume and she loved it, and that's the reason I immediately picked it up. Plus the note seemed to be quite intriguing for me. I did not even use it even once, you guys. This is, I'm talking about Ramson's Exotica or the perfume. This is a huge quantity, 100 ml variant. I wish I had picked up a smaller variant. I think they do come in multiple sizes. The MRP of this is 650, but you can get it for less than 450, I think, on the offers. This is how the packaging looks like. You guys can see I have absolutely not used it. This also comes with a freebie. इसके अंदर ही ये freebie था, ये छोटा वाला tester perfume. Even this I didn't use it. I know this is not that expensive, but as you're wasting it, so it is a wastage. I don't like to waste even inexpensive products. The only time that I tested out this product is I spritzed it once on my hand. I hated it, you guys. There is a fruity floral, like the top notes are fruity, the middle notes are floral, and the base notes are vanilla and musk. It's something that I would like, but I don't know. I don't even want to spritz it right now.
Uh-oh.
I cannot. Like, I haven't even spritzed it, but the cap itself is, oh my god, I'm literally getting a regurgitation. So, you guys, I do have a migraine problem, and I'm not exaggerating. Some fragrances can literally immediately trigger my migraine. One of those fragrances. Like, if I want a migraine, I can just spritz it once, and I'm sure I would definitely get a migraine instantaneously. So the top notes, I think I am not sure because it's not written here. I'm definitely gonna pop a picture on the screens. Keep an eye on it. But I think the things that didn't work out for me is pear. The opening note, the top notes have pear, orange, and the middle notes have rose, jasmine, and lily of the valley. And the base notes, I think, are vanilla and musk. So I think I'm not a fan of pear. I'm not a fan of jasmine. I'm not a fan of rose either. So that is the thing that's not like literally catching up to me, I feel, because vanilla musk is something that I like. Orange blossom is also something that I like. Top इनके top notes में orange blossom भी है, but I hate which has a opening note of rose, jasmine, and pear. So I think that's what is making me like literally go away from it. uh, Otherwise, if someone likes this fragrance, they're gonna be blown away because I think this is long lasting. I don't know why this happens. Most pathetic perfumes or most disgusting smelling perfumes are the ones that last long apparently, and the perfumes that smell good doesn't last long. It is what it is. So you guys can say मैंने इसको absolutely use नहीं किया, but unfortunately since I spreads it, I don't want to give away also to one of you guys. I still don't know whom to give this, because I don't want anyone be smelling like this, at least my closed ones. So obviously I wouldn't give this to my closed ones. So I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this perfume. This is something that if you are migraine sensitive, if you're sensitive to fragrance, if you in general react to fragrance, I think this is something that you need to keep yourself away. If you are contemplating to get this, and if you are someone who resonates with my type of fragrance, I think you have to keep yourself away from this. Do not venture into this, even though it's inexpensive. I don't think it's worth it, because there are a lot of other perfumes in the market which you can try, but this, no, 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 please. And since we are on the perfume section, I would like to cover one more perfume. This is from the House of Plum. This is Glitz Worth It, right? इसमें छोटा सा sticker है जिसमें लिखा है. Not something that I got it from my own money. This was a freebie because I purchased a certain amount. So I did use it, like you guys can see. इतना मैंने इसको use किया है. This is also long lasting on the clothes, so it lasted the entire day. But guys, this is also something that can trigger your migraine. Mm. Oh boy. I don't know how I managed to use this much. Also, I maybe I was in an extremely good mood, and this is something that I cannot. Oh boy. Okay, anyways, this is too nauseating. It is so bad. So Glitz Worth It is something you again have to stay away if your fragrance and my fragrance choices are same. Like even if you don't have migraine, you will definitely get a headache with this. So this is extremely floral and very nauseating, very plasticky, very synthetic. I don't know the notes. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, और मेरे को I don't want to crack the notes also. Like I don't want to understand the notes, so I've just put it away. Okay. Then talking about, I do have few makeups. Let's get that over with. So the first makeup that I want to talk about it. Let's talk about Mass Cosmetics. So I have two eyeliners from Mass Cosmetics, you guys, which I absolutely regret buying. The first one is the pen eyeliner. This is the Ink Black Liquid Eyeliner Pen. This is not a new launch, but I think I did get in 2024. This is how it looks. It looks gorgeous, you guys, to be honest. Swiss Beauty ka bhi same aa raha tha. I have used the Swiss Beauty one completely and I enjoyed it. But somehow I thought of like trying out Mars Sketch eyeliner. That's the reason I got it. Because 2024 May there were not new sketch eyeliners launches. If I'm not wrong, they were all about holographic, and I think each brand tried to copy each other, like Mars Swiss Beauty, and they were just releasing the holographic eye pencil eyeliner. I think by now Nike has also launched it. So the thing is, when I started using it, it performed very nicely. But eventually, what happened? This tip kind of went inside. So ये tip जब मैंने खरीदा था, it was not like this. The tip was quite long, but with certain amount of usage, the tip kind of went in, और ये इतना ही tip बचा है. And again, it became so thick that I couldn't make a thin wing line. Like I couldn't make a thin wing. Yeah, this became so thick. I don't know why, and the wand kind of gave up on me. I don't know whether it's a manufacturing defect or I got a defective product. But yeah, this, I did not drop it. I did not, like, I store it nicely upright. Somehow this what happened. So you guys can see it started like bleeding also already. So I couldn't, no matter how much I tried, I couldn't get a proper wing out of it, and then I stopped using it, और ये तब से ऐसे ही पड़ा है. So let me know in the comment section. See, even this is kind of bending. I don't know what happened. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have used this and you have faced the same product, or it's only me who got a defective product. But yeah, I regret buying it, and I don't think, even if I had gotten a defective product, I don't think I would want to go back to the same eyeliner, because on the same price range, Swiss Beauty also does amazing sketch eyeliner, and I think Maybelline tattoo eyeliners are one of the best, so I would probably pick that one. So that's that. Then let's talk about another eyeliner which got released in 2024. Actually, not that old as well. I think they released this Mars eyeliner pretty mid of the year, I think. And this people were talking like it's a very good eyeliner, blah blah blah. This is the Mars Sky Liner matte eyeliner. So Mars Cosmetics na kya ho gaya tha? They were so much releasing products every left and right. They were coming out of new launches like every month, I would say, which is actually not necessary. I don't know, they're already killing it, they're already up in the market and people already love their products are already good. So I don't understand the hurry behind their new launches. Like every month they are just coming out of this foundation, this eyeliner. Like for example, there was no need for them to release a eyeliner like this. At first when I applied it, I liked it, but it was not long lasting. जो मार्स का iPod I love वाला है, that is so long lasting. I've already spoken about it in my recent video. But this eyeliner is first of all not long lasting. When I first applied it, उसका wing तो बहुत जल्दी चला गया था, and by the end of the day it was smudging as well. So I was a little disappointed. लेकिन बाद में जब मैंने use करना शुरू किया, guys, what kind of wand is this, you guys tell me?
Uh-oh.
Like, does this look like a wand of an eyeliner? I hope the camera can focus. I like the length of the tip. The length of the wand is nice, and the body is also nice because the body is also long. And with this kind of a length, you can very easily draw the eyeliner because एक ही बार में आपका पूरा हो जाएगा because it's that long. But it is so thick and it doesn't even taper down. Like the tip is not even tapered. It's the same diameter of the wand is same, and it's so thick. I have tried to use it multiple times. मैंने इसको पूरा like सारा product निकाल के भी use करने की कोशिश की, but it just gets ugly and uglier. Like now you can see the tip has feathered. I hope you guys can see that the tip has feathered now. How are you even going to get a precise wing? You guys tell me. It is such a mess. This product is a failure, you guys. I think they have to stop producing this product, or they have to change the packaging, reformulate it, and again relaunch it. Many influencers are talking about this product, but no one is voicing on this tip. For initial application, obviously pitch black है, अच्छा ही लगने वाला है. With further subsequent use only, you will come to know whether the product is actually good or not. So this is the swatch, and you will not get a thin, precise wing with this, and application gets very messy. It starts feathering and bleeding so badly because the tip itself is not precise. So this product is something that I cannot make use of it. I even tried out with a different eyeliner brush so that I can make use of this product, but eyeliner itself is not long lasting. So क्या ही फायदा है अगर मैं दूसरे brush से भी use करूँ तो. So I'm just gonna let it go. Probably I'll throw this. Not a good eyeliner. The formula also sucks. The packaging also sucks. So then while we are at the eyeliner topic, I do have one more eyeliner. I just realized I have like so many eyeliners. Probably I have the expectations of eyeliners are very high for me. This one is from the Blur Cosmetics. This is darker than my ex soul uh, eyeliner, and this is in the shade brown. So Blur Cosmetics is something that I came across this year 2024, and I had gotten a couple of products to just try it out and let you guys know because it's an Indian bound brand, and I like trying out Indian entrepreneur brands and everything. So that's how I got my hands on Blur, and they were very kind enough to give me a coupon code. They did not send me any products for free or anything. I have spoken about their glosses and everything in a lot of my videos, and their glosses are one of my favorites. I did pick up a kit जिसमें ये एक product था, तो I was like ठीक है, मतलब ले लेते हैं. Plus, I always am on a lookout for a coal brown kajal, brown liner because I think that looks subtle and soft on the eyes as opposed to the black. And इसका नाम तो देखो, darker than my ex soul. The packaging is okay, it's nice. It does come with its own sharpener, which again is very good thing. If you want to draw a precise wing, you can like sharpen your tip and everything. But again, ये product को मैंने use ही नहीं किया, and it also broke. Abhi, the piece kind of fell out. Wow, nice. इसका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि it is very drying. Okay. So guys, इसका टिप गिर गया है तो शायद इसलिए अभी ये, so I'll tell you, when I first started using it, it was okay, but I had to tug and go over again to get that kind of a pigmentation. I have done a full Blur Cosmetics ka ek video wherein I have showed the application as well. If you haven't watched it, the application and everything, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. You guys can go and check it out. But then what happened? It started drying down. So basically, जब आपका fresh हो tip, like that's why probably they have given the sharpener as well. So you have to keep on sharpening even if you don't want to sharpen, is what I'm trying to say. Otherwise, the tip is gonna get completely dry down and you will get zero pigmentation. क्योंकि अभी ये वाला tip मेरा break हो गया है, so I'm able to get some pigmentation. Otherwise, see the pigmentation I'm able to get, and it does look like good. It suits my skin tone and everything. काफी हद तक थोड़ा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी है, it doesn't vanish on my skin. But like once the days pass, the you will get zero pigmentation, guys. Even इसको इतना भी रगड़ लो, zero pigmentation आएगा. In that process you'll end up breaking the tip, or else you have to go and sharpen it, then only you'll get the pigmentation. So I don't want to go through so many hassle to just get a usage from this product. This is a complete go. If you guys want to get your hands on a brown kajal, I think you can go with the Mars No Smudge wala kajal. Won't budge, won't budge, won't smudge wala kajal is pretty good. So you can try that brown one. I do have that. It's very creamy and long lasting. But this is something sadly I don't want. Let's move on to a lipstick, and I probably may get some hate for this product. This is from the Swiss Beauty non-transfer matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Cute Nude. This is one of their best-selling shade from this range. This is a non-transfer lipstick. Again, Swiss Beauty was something back in the days. It was just launching left and right. उनके पास ऑलरेडी सेम नॉन ट्रांसफर लिपस्टिक है. And let me tell you guys, Swiss Beauty, I think, according to me, Swiss Beauty was the first brand which did a bullet lipstick, which is non-transfer lipstick. I do have the other, wait, I'll bring that lipstick and I'll give you a side-by-side comparison. And they killed it. Like, I have used two different shades from this one. This is what I'm talking about. I think iska bhi naam kuch same hai, non-transfer matte lipstick something. This is in the shade Bear 415. I've used their two other shades in the past when they were launched. I think it's even before COVID when they had come out with, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it, finished it, and I went ahead and purchased this shade. So this was again a same kind of a lipstick. If you guys see, even the packaging and all is same. It's just that this has details on the body and this doesn't. So I thought, okay, I'll pick up one more shade, but the formula is different in both the ranges. Thing is, what was the need for them to go ahead and launch this when they already have this, and this is still cult favorite. So this is in the shade Bear, and इसका formula इतना अच्छा है guys. It's super creamy to apply. Let me give you a swatch here. You guys can see मक्खन जैसा ये swatch होता है, मक्खन जैसा it glides on your lips as well. This shade in particular is a sort of pink nude, which has a slight bit of cool undertones to it. Sometimes if I'm tan and everything, it does wash me out, but if I'm having a full face of makeup, this lipstick looks so gorgeous on me. मतलब एकदम sophisticated look deta. This is like one of my favorite lipstick. It's long lasting, it feels comfortable, completely dries down to a transfer proof lipstick. Amazing formula. If I finish this one, I'm again gonna try out other shades. Like this is the shade. You guys can see this is such a beautiful warm brown shade, which is gonna look very beautiful for all dusky people. Like extremely dusky पे तो एकदम ही nude मस्त लगेगा. The problem is हाथ पे बहुत अच्छा swatch होता है, no doubt, but lips पे इतना अच्छा swatch नहीं होता है as compared to this one. You need to go over and over again. Uh, Plus, it is not long lasting as does this one is. This lasts barely on my lips for 1.5 hour. Uske baad it starts crumbling, crusty, and once you press your lips, it is gone. ये बट होल जैसा भी नहीं, it just goes away once. It is not long lasting. B, you cannot get the full pigmentation on your lips. I know, I understand my lips are pigmented. I need to go over and over again, but still मुझे वो pigmentation मिलता ही नहीं है जो इसमें मिलता है. This being so nude, pale nude, this does give a full pigmentation in one swipe. This, however, doesn't. It is not that comfortable as well as compared to this one, and this crumbles and feels very bad once the time passes. So overall, if you guys want to get this one and are thinking to buy this one, I would say skip on it and go ahead and buy this range. This range has very beautiful shades for dusky people as well, and they are one of the best bullet lipsticks out there. They do have one more HD creamy lipstick that is also extremely good. So many shades are like cult favorite Brandy Harrington, mauve blush. The formula is so nice if you want something very creamy and yet long lasting, super comfortable. You can check out those lipsticks. And if you want something that is transfer proof, you can go and check out these range. But forget about this range. This is very bad, so you can skip this totally. So moving on to the next product is again is gonna be a shocker for you guys. This is from my favorite brand, which is Plum. So you guys know this coconut and peptide range is my absolute favorite. आज भी जो मैंने वॉश किया है, जो कल रात को मैंने वॉश किया है, वो भी यही शैम्पू और यही कंडीशनर से वॉश किया है. एंड आई हैव डन अ कोलैबोरेशन वीडियो एज वेल, जिसमें आप लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दे सकते हो हाउ सॉफ्ट इट my hair looked. My hair was still wet when I shot that video, and there's no heat whatsoever. So my chemically treated, I have botox done, and I do color my hair every month because I have full length white hair. Like I have premature graying. I have gray hair since the time when I was in 7th grade. It's a sad story of my life, but it is what it is. So I'm just letting you guys know so that you guys have a gist of what my hair type is. So I did pick up their full range. This is something that I bought on from my own money. I had gotten the Plum conditioner, the hair mask, and the shampoo as well. Later, they did send out the conditioner and the shampoo separately, which I have almost finished as well. इसको मैंने इतना use करने की कोशिश की है. But you guys, it doesn't work as beautiful as the conditioner and the shampoo. Like the shampoo itself is so good that even if I'm not using that particular conditioner, my hair does feel soft. Like the edges are still soft with the shampoo alone. But this is a mask. Doesn't it supposed to do extra conditioning to my hair? But somehow with me, I don't know, none of the hair masks suit me. I don't know what it is, but मुझ में मेरे बालों में hair mask सूट ही नहीं करता. I don't know whether it's because I have a thick hair that hair mask does not penetrate my hair, or what. I have tried out so many hair masks in the market. I have tried out Schwarzkopf ke Goji Berry one. I have tried out L'Oreal ke Extenso hair mask. I have tried out Dove ka hair mask, which is like cult favorite. That one is also actually I should have included in this video. That is complete regret buying. Every influence, even Malvika Satlani swears by that hair mask. I literally got that hair mask after watching her video because she has a curly hair, frizzy hair. So I thought, okay, if it works for her, probably it will work for me. That's the reason I got it. But that is something that I regret buying, and I gave it away to my sister immediately, and she is using it. She probably likes it. So this one also, obviously, because I like the shampoo and the conditioner, I went ahead and purchased this one. I don't know whether it's the hair mask in general doesn't work for me, or it's this one particular, but I have like now right now stopped buying hair masks because I don't want to waste money. This is not inexpensive. Again, it smells coconutty. Love this fragrance. So again, I've tried to use this as a pre-mask conditioner, like a leave-on conditioner. Nothing worked. I dampened my hair a little bit and then applied it on the length of the hair, left it for over 45 minutes, and then went ahead, shampooed it, but still my hair felt dry AF. So this product is a complete failure for me. I cannot unfortunately give this to my sister because she hates everything and anything to do with coconut. He does not love the fragrance of coconut in general, so this probably is going to waste for me. I mean, I'm little disappointed and heartbroken because I don't like to throw anything. So that's that. Let me know in the comment section again if you guys have tried out and it has worked for you as well. Let's move on to the next product. This is from the Dot and Key. This is a moisturizer, a skincare one. This is the Pomegranate Miracle Vitamin E Revitalizing Moisturizer with SPF 30. So, I got fancied with the packaging as always. You guys know I love Dot and Key packaging as well. Doesn't it look so beautiful? And I have used it so much. It's like halfway through. I'm looking for skincare and everything with which has like anti-aging in it. Obviously, I'm getting older right now,
Uh-oh.
but I like anything that has the word revitalizing, collagen, peptide. जहाँ पे भी मुझे ये words दिखे, I kind of pick that one. The problem with this is again fragrance. This is like a perfume in the bottle. This I was reacting to this moisturizer. Some days I was fine, some days I used to get this bumps. Right now also I'm having these sort of bumps. I know what product is causing that. You guys see, I'm not breaking out, but this is sort of an allergic bump. If you see, this is a nice moisturizer for someone who is dry skin. I think because it has SPF, it does look little white at initial application, but थोड़ी देर के बाद ये settle हो जाता है. It doesn't leave a white cast or something. Obviously, SPF 30 is not enough, but if you guys are going out and about, if you layer this with underneath the regular sunscreen, it's gonna be adding an extra layer only. So, अच्छा moisturizer है. It leaves a good moisturizing effect, but at the same time, it does not feel chip and greasy. But the fragrance is too much. Like it's open करते इतना fragrance I don't need that much of fragrance. Plus, इसके ingredient list इसमें नहीं है, so I'm gonna pop a picture of the ingredient list on the screen. So, because of the fragrance, I did get a lot of bumps. Not always, but your skin is not doing the same. It changes according to your period cycle, according to your hormones. It keeps changing. So, why do you need a product which works half of the time, which doesn't work half of the time? So, why should I even like bother using this product? So I've stopped using this, and then once I've stopped using this, I stopped getting those bumps as well. So that's the reason इसको मैंने अभी 4-5 महीने से touch भी नहीं किया, and I don't want to again start using it as well. So again, this product is going for waste. Probably I'll use it as my hand cream and something. But yeah, if you are sensitive to fragrance, this is also something that you can keep yourself away from. I think we are like close to the end of the video, but not yet. Wait. Then let's talk about this skin tint from Rimmel London. बीच में ऐसा चल रहा था कि where every other brand was launching skin tint like foundation. I think back in the end of 2023 or even in the beginning of 2024, it was all about tints, skin tints. And Abhi, during the end of the 2024, it's all about tinted sunscreen now. So I think every brand is trying to come out with tinted sunscreen. But this was when tinted skin foundation was a thing. So that's when I got influenced, and not many brands were doing a shade inclusive for dusky skin people. But my favorite content creator was raving about this tinted foundation. That's the reason I went ahead. I wouldn't say I did a very good job in picking up the shade. This is in the shade 400 Natural Beige. Rimmel London does have a lot of shades in this category, so I'm sure you're gonna end up getting your shade match. This shade did look a lot orange on my skin tone, but the thing is I was able to pull this off because it is a skin tint, so it did not give a lot of coverage, so ho jata tha. But the reason why I have never spoken about to you guys or never used in my tutorials is because the formula has kind of given up on me. इसको खरीदे मेरे को 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है. Let me give you a swatch. I'm just guys, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा scoop out कर रही हूँ just so that I can show you guys. Anyways, this product is going to waste. Okay, do you guys see the difference in the color? the formula kind of separated, and अभी तो फिर भी ठीक है you guys, इसको mix करके लगा सकते हैं, but then at sometimes when I've kept this upright, the first squeeze that you do it, only water comes, फिर orange color आता था, फिर brown color आता था. I mean, am I supposed to put this on my skin? I am scared to put this on my skin. As it is, I don't have a flawless skin. I don't want to put something that looks rancid. So you guys can see इसमें orange है, brown है. ऐसा separate होने के बाद इसको कौन skin पे लगाएगा? It is such a mess, you guys. So you guys saw the mess. I even tried to like completely shake it and then put it, but then स्किन पे अप्लाई करने के बाद भी इट वाज लाइक सेपरेटिंग, वो थोड़ा ऑरेंज थोड़ा ब्राउन, एंड दैट ब्राउन इज सो बैड. इट्स अ कूल टोन ब्राउन विदाउट द ऑरेंज. इट लुक्स सो बैड. I think the formula is wrong. Now nobody talks about this product, at least not in India. I don't know how the this one performs overseas. I feel the formulations are different in many brands. So this product, there's something serious wrong with the product. No one is talking about this. So I think you can totally skip this if you have been like eyeing on this product. This is something that is a complete failure for me. I regret buying it as well. It was not that cheap. The MRP is 700, though I might have gotten it on a discount, but still it's not worth it. Many brands are doing this sort of formulation. You can totally check out a Dot and Key tinted sunscreen. That is one of my favorite. It performs so good. So that's that. I have a couple of random products. This is a panty liner from Sophie brand. You guys know I cannot do without any panty liners. I use panty liners on daily basis. I keep refreshing myself every 4 to 5 hours as well. So I keep trying out different panty liners only because कभी immediately खत्म हो जाता तो मेरे को immediately चाहिए रहता. I call for certain panty liners from Zepto as well. Not every time I get what I want. So the best panty liners out there in the market is from P Safe. Like no matter what brands that I keep trying, but I keep going back to P Safe one. I love their panty liners. They are soft. They are not plasticky. They're made up of good quality products. They do not give me any reaction and stuff. So PSA panty liners are quite good. I do have a coupon code with them. I'm gonna flash it on their screen. If you guys want, you can then totally go and check it out. But talking about this one, this is a Sophie panty liner. Again, I called it from Zepto, I think. Zepto pe usually P-Safe panty liners are out of stock. But this one I only kept it so that I can show it to you guys. This one feels so plasticky. I'm not sure whether I've spoken about this or not. You guys can see ये ऐसा आता है, but this kind of gave me reaction, you guys. Today I'm gonna just like kept it for you guys to see. I'm gonna throw this one. I'm not gonna use this, and it gave me reaction, you guys. I started feeling itchy and little. It was little sensitive that area. So no, you guys, if do not try this Sophie panty liners. It's not good. Plus क्योंकि ये ना ऐसा है कि ये पीरियड्स के टाइम पे नहीं यूज करना है, आपको थ्रू आउट द मंथ यूज करना है. So that should be really comfortable for you guys. So you guys can totally skip this panty liner. It's very bad. So no. And the last product that I want to talk about is this. This is a patch that you need to put it on the back of your phone, and this kind of grips onto the surface, and you can take your photos and you can do your content creation. Like it's good for content creation. This product was going viral. Everybody has this kind of a patch, and this sadly did not work for me. I think मैंने ये एक वीडियो में आपको बताया था. Yeah, 24 things that I got influenced in 2024 videos where I just show this one to you guys. So that video is going very good. If you guys haven't watched that, I'm gonna link it on the iCard button as well as the end screen. You guys can go and watch it out. So this product I have spoken a lot about in that. So this completely did not work for me. ये एक ही बार में मेरा phone नीचे गिर गया, and thank God I had a cover on my phone, so my phone screen did not break. But yeah, I'm not gonna try it again and risk my phone cracking. So this product didn't work out for me. I don't know whether the brand that I got is bad or whether this product is a gimmicky product, but मैं वापस इसको try नहीं करने वाली हूँ. This has completely, there is no gum whatsoever. So this is a mess. I'm gonna throw this away as well. So I think with that we are done with today's video. I don't know how many products I've spoken about today, but these are something long overdue. I really wanted to get away with this products. मैं कुछ products अभी इसको फेंकने वाली हूँ. If you guys enjoyed this video throughout, then please make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.